tired loose ends to make amends. As I said it all, I started to fall in the silence. Deafened, head spinning round, no time to sit down. Just wanted to run and run and run. Be careful, they say, don't wish life away.